Hi everybody, I just wanted to show off our little Persian kitten litter. Matilda and Jasper has 3 little kittens. That first one right there with the little brown, that is a chocolate tortie. And I honestly don't know what the other ones are right now because I have not been messing with them because, man oh man, I have found out that kittens are very, very fragile. They're definitely not like puppies. So the only time I ever touch them is whenever I change out their cover, which this gray one, I just changed it out and put them on there. So I thought that I would make a little video. So far they're all doing very well. I think today they are 3 days old. Mama's out going potty. I let her out every few hours to go potty. And then I give her some wet food. And she's really taking good care of them this time. We have Matilda and Kit Kat, and Matilda, man, her first 2 litters, she was so sloppy and so disgusting. And she's doing so much better this litter. She really, truly is. I'm really proud of her. Aw, sweet little babies.